Hello everyone, good evening. In this tutorial, we will see how we will install the offline plugin in the NetBeans. Actually, I was working in this web project, JSP project, Java Servlet project, and I didn't realize that Spring Boot will be a great option. Then when I want to test the Spring Boot, I just realized that there is no option to create a Spring Boot application, starter application. You can just see with the mouse and off, and there is no other things for creating a Spring Boot application in the NetBeans. Fine. Then when I check that plugin section, and then how you will check that, you will have to go to the My NetBeans and check for install plugins from here. Or if you don't want to check from here, you have to go to the tools and we will have to check from the plugins here. And when I check the available plugins, and I check for like Spring Boot, I found nothing. Okay, Spring Java is there, but then nothing like Spring Boot external port format and editing. Okay, fine. So what we need to do, we need to just download the plugin from somewhere else, GitHub or like some other place, and install that here. Right. Now I found the plugin on the GitHub page. Okay. From there I downloaded that and I just show you. I just click and then click on the file explorer, documents I have, and then the file explorer, and just click on my D drive, and you see that I have my plugins here, offline plugin, which is a NBM file, means NetBeans plugin file. We have NB Spring Boot plugin 3.1. Now it's a bit old, and I'm also using IDE 20, which is also not the current version. So I found this, it is of like 2020 is the last update, I think 3.1, and IDE 20 is like similar. So we first close it. Okay, I think it's hanged. Wait a minute. Okay, it just closed. Click on Start Plugin here. We are in a plugin section now. Now we go to the download section here. Now from here, we need to add the plugins here. Click on Add Plugins. Wait, okay, it opened. See, we are in this PC and the drive, and we have the plugin here. We just click on Open. Okay, it's opened. Now my plugins is already selected. You need to check it. If it is not checked, then we need to click on Install, and it will ask, okay, the installer will be download, verified, and install the plugins. Okay, we need to install the Spring Boot plugin. Click on Next, and then accept the term and condition. Make sure you read all this. Then click on Install. Now it's asking to verify the certificate. As I have downloaded from the GitHub externally, it's self-signed. Okay, I trust this, so I will click on Continue, and it will ask me to restart the IDE. It is mandatory to restart the IDE to show the plugin section. So I will just click on Finish by clicking the Restart IDE here. Click on Finish, and it's not different, it's different. Okay, it's Apache NetBeans Updater is running. Update is in progress. We will wait till the progress happens. Okay, it happened, it completed, and the NetBeans is restarting again. Wait till it restarts. and we see that it restarted. Okay, and we can see here that it's refreshing. Now when we click on new project again and Java with Fabric, we can see the two new options, which is Spring Boot basic project and Spring Boot initializer project. So we can go either as per our convenience, but that is not the scope of this video. We see how we will install the plugins offline in the NetBeans. Hope this video is helpful for you. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you so much.